Today's the day, boys. Finally got. Get out of the shop, bro. My mic is in the shop. I guess I can put them upside down. Yeah. I'm like 3 bolts away from getting the trans out. Now I just need to hook up the engine hoist. Probably take the hood off today. Mount up the engine hoist to the head, and then lower the subframe a little bit. That way I can access the top 3 or 4 bolts on the bell housing, which you can kind of see back there. So it shouldn't be hard, shouldn't be bad. What's going on, boys? Welcome back to another Money Monday video. It's good to see you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Ooh, today it's not Monday. Today's Sunday. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, actually. My girl's from Kansas. I got the Kansas shirt on. Let's see if the Chiefs can pull this off. Should be a good game, though. Should be a heck of a game. More than likely, I'm going to be spending all my time under the S2000 because I really want to get that engine and transmission yanked out today. But that is not what today is about. Today is about 5 things that I hate or used to hate about affiliate marketing, and that anyone that's looking to get into affiliate marketing needs to know. Because these are big things that I had to learn as I go. I had to learn as I was in the industry longer, and it really makes a difference. It makes a huge difference in how you perceive the industry and how it affects your work and your ad spend and your investment. So for those of you that don't know, quick recap: I did affiliate marketing for probably 8 to 10 years, a long time. I'm not going to show you stats or figures. I've done a bunch of revenue. I've spent a ton of money. It's not what this video is about, though. I literally just want to help those people who are looking for advice on affiliate marketing, either advice on how to get into it, advice on what to look for, and things to think about, because it sounds awesome. It sounds like a great industry to be in, but there are some drawbacks. Now, next week I'll probably do 5 things that I love about the affiliate marketing space, but for now we're going to do the 5 things I absolutely hate about it. All right, first, number 5. We're going to start backwards. Number 5, and this is kind of, if you're very noob, this just kind of gets hard. This makes it hard to start. The 5th thing that I was thinking about was when you join. Well, actually, hold on. Back up. I'm gonna set some ground rules here. When I refer to an offer page, that is going to be an affiliate offer. So that is going to be the page that you send traffic to get a sale for you to then get paid. So we're gonna call that an offer page. The owner of that offer page, that's gonna be called the advertiser. He is the advertiser. He's the one that owns the offer page. That's the business that you are making sales for. So if you're getting affiliate commissions for an ebook on ClickBank, the page that you send traffic to is the offer page, and the person that owns that is the advertiser, okay? ClickBank, the one that hosts that actually pays you, that's going to be called the affiliate network. Okay, so number 5. I wasn't used to the payment terms at which you got paid. When I started out affiliate marketing, I had a very low budget on the amount I could spend. So, generally speaking, affiliate networks have a minimum threshold of sales you have to meet to then get paid. Most of them are pretty small, like $100. Once you generate $100 in commissions, they'll pay you the $100. The problem comes if you're trying to do affiliate marketing on a budget. Say you have $100 a week to spend. So that means you can only spend, $12 a day. And if that generates you 1 sale a day at, call it $20, well, then you may only get paid once a month. Most of these companies are going to pay you maybe bi-monthly. So if you can't generate $200 or $100 a week, then they're probably going to give you your payment once a month, which makes things really hard to scale, because if you're on a limited budget and you can't spend enough to generate enough commissions, then it's going to be hard to get paid enough to cover your credit card bill or your debit card or whatever it is, your bank account, frequently. So it makes it hard to scale. So you have to realize that when you're going into an industry with minimum payouts like this, where you have to spend money to make money in most cases, unless you're SEO or something crazy like that, or have a sick Instagram or whatever. But if you're spending money to make money, you don't get your commissions the next day. You don't get them the next week, generally speaking, unless if you don't meet the minimum threshold payout, they're not going to pay you until you meet that. And if you don't meet that frequently, then they're really not going to say, okay, we can pay you twice or 3 times a month, or we can pay you once a week. Once you start generating enough revenue, don't get me wrong, you'll have affiliate networks that will say, hey, we'll send daily wires to you, or we'll send payments at the end of the week or beginning of every week or whatever. They will hook you up once you start generating enough, but until you reach that point, it's going to take some time, and you're going to have to pay your dues and figure out a way to generate enough commission to get paid frequently. Okay, number 4 is, again, this is when you're getting started. If you're on a limited budget, is where to learn, or how to learn where to focus your ad spend. There are a million different ways you can generate traffic to send to an offer page to generate commissions. But depending on what your offer is, what affiliate offer you're pushing, that has a specific demographic. If you're targeting a testosterone boost or how to build muscle fast, then you're not going to want to target, Good Morning America, because that's going to be old women. So learning where to focus your ad spend to get the most out of your money is a very hard thing to do. And it sucks because at the beginning, you have to lose a decent bit of cash to be able to make money back. So you're going to have to test a few different ad networks unless you know where to go and you're ready to focus on one ad network. If you're like, dude, I want to be the Instagram guy, I'm going to spend money on Instagram to generate sales, that's going to be my traffic source. Awesome. Don't lose that idea, don't lose that focus, even when it doesn't work out. Because it can work out. I'm not going to say every traffic source will work out, because I know for certain that's not true. But if you have a good idea and you know people are making money using the traffic source that you want to use, stick around, focus on that one, because I'm telling you, if you go off course and say, well, I'm going to test this traffic source, I'm going to test Bing, I'm going to test Google, I'm going to test Pinterest, I'm going to test Facebook, I'm going to test Instagram, and I'm going to spend $3 a day on each of those, that will yield you 0 results, because your ad spend isn't significant enough to gather any data. So you need to focus on one, and that's a hard and expensive thing to learn how to do, or just to learn. So that would be number 4. I'm telling you, it's an expensive game to play. Okay, number 3. Now we're getting into some meat and potatoes, because these top 3 really they piss me off. Number 3 is offer page changes without your consent. So say you have everything figured out. Say you have your traffic source figured out. Say you have a pre-sale page figured out, and we didn't talk about pre-sale pages in this video. If you want to know what that is, look at an old video. I talk about pre-sale pages. But say you have your pre-offer, or you have your traffic, you have your pre-sale page, and the offer page that you're pushing to get sales to is converting. Everything is awesome. You're at top of the world. Everything's great. You wake up one morning, no sales. That's weird. Same traffic, same pre-sale, same everything. What can happen is advertisers don't have to tell you when they make changes to their offer pages. They're not obligated to tell you that. So when they make changes to the offer page, it could kill your conversions, and they don't have to tell you. They can test different offer pages on their end, just like you test different pre-sale pages. They can say, hey, I want to make a change to the above fold video to see if this video converts better on the offer page. Because they have a million different affiliates pushing it, they can test out a different video in a morning to see if it works. It may only ruin their business or kill their sales for a small percentage of the time, but it could destroy your entire day, week, month, and it's really annoying because say you're you're at the gym or you're on vacation and you have this campaign that's crushing and steady. They make offer page changes without telling you. You go away for a week and all of a sudden you have 0 sales that week and you're scratching your head why. That could be why. That's not uncommon. It's happened to me a million times. In fact, offer pages have gone down. Offer pages they've lost their hosting. There's a million problems that can happen with the offer page that can kill your conversions. So yeah, offer page changes can kill you. And it's super annoying. You never get a heads up. They use you for testing. And that leads me to my number 2 thing. We're really getting into some good stuff because I hate these things. My top 3 I really, really hate. So number 2, if you're new to the industry or you're just not technically savvy, this can happen super easily, and it happens to everyone at some point. Until you learn the way to stop advertisers from doing this, it will happen. And it just will. So number 2 is when advertisers not steal your data, but there's a way they can find out where you're sending traffic to their offer page from and how you're producing sales. There are ways you can stop them from doing that, but there are ways they can figure out where you're sending your traffic from, how you're converting. Well, they see your conversion rate because they pay you. So they see the amount of clicks that you're sending to the offer page, and they see how well you're converting. And if that gets ridiculously high or you're converting ridiculously well, and they see, hey, we see this person sending traffic from Facebook, and they're converting at 10%, and we're paying them a ton of money, why don't we just run there? Why don't we just put our own ads there? And they will go in and run on the same traffic source you're running on and compete right next to you, but they're the advertiser. They own the offer page. They're going to beat you. They make more money off the sales. They can run, they can afford to pay more per sale than you can. So the advertiser then hijacks your traffic source and basically cannibalizes you because there's now two of the same affiliate offers running on the same traffic source, targeting the same demographic, and it cannibalizes one of them. And it happens time and time again. And it is just it's a dirty market, a dirty industry that advertisers don't care. They don't care about you, the affiliate. You're literally just a form of traffic to them who generates sales. And if they can, they'll jump on the opportunity to advertise right next to where you're advertising, steal your traffic, and take your sales and cut you out. And that's just the name of the game. It happens all the time. There are ways to prevent that. There are ways to hide where you're sending traffic from. But until you get familiar with the industry, you get familiar with coding, you understand what to put on your pre-sale pages and how to hide that, it's kind of impossible. So, well, it's not impossible, but it's hard to do. So just be prepared for that to happen. Number 1 thing that stopped me from affiliate marketing and that changed my entire viewpoint on the entire industry is the fact that when I was doing affiliate marketing, there were times where I would do lead gens and sale type offers. So there are different types of offers. You can do lead gens, CPA, where it's cost per acquisition. Someone buys a product, they pay you. Lead gens, you collect data for the person, they pay you. I've done anything from 1,000 sales a day or 1,000 leads a day to 500 sales a day in affiliate marketing. And the thing that ultimately got me to stop is at the end of the day, if that advertiser pulls their offer, if that advertiser says, never mind, we don't want affiliate traffic anymore, we're doing well on our own, everything's good, you don't have a business anymore. You're out of a job, basically. You have to start over from scratch. You have to find a new affiliate offer. You have to test new traffic sources. You have to get a new pre-sale page. Unless you have a backup offer that you can just slip right into your pre-sale page and your entire traffic flow that you've built, your business can be done in a second. All the advertiser has to do is say, we don't want affiliate traffic anymore. And there you go. Your business is dead. So if you're doing this as supplemental income to your day job, supplemental income to your e-commerce, supplemental income to build a piggy bank so you can start an e-commerce, then it's a great industry to be in. But if you're doing this as your only job, it's a very scary industry to be in, because again, it can be over in a second. And unless you have multiple affiliate campaigns going for different advertisers on different traffic sources that are, you have 20 different ad campaigns going, which takes a lot of cash, your business can be done in a heartbeat. And that's ultimately what got me to stop, because at the end of the day, you don't have a business. Your business is only as good as your current affiliate offer, which you are relying on that company to uphold, and that company to say, we want your sales, we want your traffic, we're going to not take all the money you're generating for us and spend it on Lamborghinis, and then we don't have enough to make new products or whatever. So you're relying on someone else to keep your business afloat. And I know that argument can be made even when you own your own business. You can say, well, what if my manufacturer goes out? But I think you get the point I'm making, because at least at that point, if you own your own e-commerce company, if you do your own e-commerce business, you have customer data, you have names, addresses, you can email blast those people. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you're literally sending the sales to someone else, and you don't get the email address, you don't get the phone number, you don't get any good data. Now, there are ways to do that. This is a very novice style way of thinking. There are ways to do that and still do affiliate marketing, but we'll cover that later. So again, your business is only as good as the affiliate offer you're pushing. And that's ultimately what got me to stop, because if you depend on that money to pay for bills, to pay for a mortgage, to pay for whatever, it's super scary. I've done it where I've been, producing 1,000 leads a day for someone for weeks or months, and they come back and they say, okay, we don't want your data anymore, we don't want your sales anymore, we don't want your leads anymore. Why? No reason, we just don't. They don't have to. There's no equal opportunity, there's no nothing. They don't have to give you a reason. They can just say, we don't want your data anymore, we don't want your sales anymore. And it could be because they steal your ad spot. There's a million different reasons. But at the end of the day, that's the number one gripe with affiliate marketing, is you don't have a business. There are ways around that. There are ways to build a business while affiliate marketing. And we're not going to cover that in this video, because that would be an hour-long video. But there are ways around all of that. But again, these are things to think about before you get into affiliate marketing. And it is still a great way to make money. And I will do a 5 things I love about affiliate marketing, because there's pros and cons to everything. And there are massive pros to this. But these are my 5 top biggest cons to this. So if you like these Money Monday videos, or specifically like affiliate marketing how-tos or my thoughts on this stuff, give it a thumbs up so I know. If you're new to the channel, guys, smash that subscribe. I do these every Monday, and I do car videos the rest of the week, mostly Wednesday, Friday. Got a lot of good stuff going on in the channel right now. Got an S2000 build. I got some stuff going on with the E36 M3. Got more track day, a ton of stuff coming up. So smash that subscribe, boys. It's good to see you guys. I hope you're doing well. Enjoy Super Bowl Sunday. Well, you already did enjoy. I hope you're recovering from Super Bowl Sunday. And I will see you on the next video. Peace. I can't.